In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive QR code. By the end, you'll have a scannable code that takes people straight to a file or folder in your Drive. The key idea is simple. You don't make the QR code inside Google Drive. You first create a shareable link, then turn that link into a QR code using a generator. Start by opening Google Drive and locating the file or folder you want to share. On a phone or tablet, tap the three dots next to the item. On a computer, right-click it. Choose Share. In the sharing window, look for the access settings and change it to anyone with the link. This step is crucial. If you skip it, people who scan your QR code won't be able to open the content unless they already have permission. With access set correctly, select Copy Link. That puts the share URL on your clipboard so you can use it in the next step. Now, head to a QR code generator. You can use a trusted free option like the qrcodegenerator.com, qrcodegenerator.com, or the QR code tool in Canva. Any of these will take your link and instantly turn it into a QR image. Open the tool of your choice in your browser. Paste your Google Drive link into the field provided, then click the button to generate the QR code. Within a moment, you should see a black and white square pattern appear. Download the QR code as a PNG or JPG so it's easy to share digitally or drop into a document or design. PNG is often best for print clarity. JPG works well for quick sharing. Before you send it out or print it, test it. Open your phone's camera or a QR scanner app, point it at the code, and make sure it opens the exact Drive file or folder you intended. If it asks for access or doesn't load, go back to the sharing settings and confirm it's still set to anyone with the link. A few important reminders as you wrap up. Your QR code is only as good as the link behind it. If you change or remove permissions later or delete or move the file, the code won't work for others anymore. Always test before sharing or printing, especially if this is going on signage, flyers, or a presentation. With the link properly set and your QR code downloaded, you're ready to share your Google Drive content in a quick, scannable way.